If you're facing verification issues on Binance after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the situation effectively. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific documents and information required for verification on Binance. Ensure you have the correct identification, proof of address, and any other necessary documents ready. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential issues caused by stored data. This can help ensure that your verification attempts are processed correctly. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If the verification process continues to fail, try using a different device or web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can affect the verification process. Step 4. Contact Binance support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up on your requests. After submitting your support requests, monitor your email for responses from Binance. Be sure to follow up if you do not receive a timely reply, as this can expedite the resolution of your verification issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Binance. Remember to be patient and thorough in your approach.